The definition of insanity is giving a kid with ADHD a distraction and then expecting them not to get distracted. What I'm talking about specifically, Chromebooks or laptops for school. Parents ask me all the time, what can I do to help my son or daughter, not constantly switch to YouTube or whatever when they're working on their school issued Chromebook or computer. What we don't want is to act as their executive functioning and make them more prompt dependent. What you can do to help is have them do homework somewhere where it's easy for you to see the computer. Now, I'm telling you to do this not with the intention of prompting them to get back on track, but rather because kids are more likely to stay on track when they know that they're going to be held accountable. The other thing I teach kids is to reward themselves with YouTube or whatever it might be for a few minutes after they're finished a certain subject. Because remember, the ADHD brain needs some kind of incentive to drive its motivation. So if they can reward themselves with something small, not like getting on video games for an hour, but they have something to look forward to at the end of getting through that non-preferred task, that's also going to help them stay on track. And if you do need to say something to them, rather than saying you're on YouTube or, stop doing that and get back on track, what you want to do is use declarative language that sounds like this. Where are you with your math homework? Because what you're doing there is you're not directly prompting them, you're getting them to use their internal dialogue, what I call brain coach with kids, to self-monitor. I teach how to use declarative language in Executive Function Crash Course Section 1. If you want to learn more about it, please check out the Declarative Language Handbook by Linda Murphy, and also check out my talk with her about declarative language at the ADHD Dude YouTube channel. I'll talk to you soon.